Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings and this is my Allure beauty box for the month of June. I'm gonna dive right in. If you're unfamiliar with the Allure beauty box, this is a makeup beauty subscription box for $25 monthly. I do opt to do the every 3-month thing and it saves you I think $2 to $3 off of each box. I have found that typically with Allure beauty box it is more skincare focused versus makeup heavy. So if you're not somebody that really enjoys getting different types of skincare, maybe this is not the box for you. I really love getting this box. You always get a little informational pamphlet and things like that. It will give you pricing, details, etc. And right on top, I am seeing the Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser Daily Calming Wash. It also says acne safe. It is a full-size item. Next up is the Christophe Robin, the Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with Rose Water. I feel like I already have one of these. I received in a different subscription box. I will definitely check. And if I do not think I'm going to keep it, I will put it in my resale group. That group is always listed down below. Next up is the Earth Harbor, the Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist with rose water and red seaweed. Vegan, allergy tested, carbon neutral, ethically sourced, and woman owned. This sounds amazing, you guys. It says soothes, hydrates, refreshes, and tones. Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist is a hydration enhancer, natural toner, and a makeup setter. Tidal Rose infuses macro algae with rose water to lock in moisture, soften the skin, and restore your pH balance. That sounds incredible. I do have very dry, textured, and very sensitive skin, so I'm really excited about this, you guys. I love the bottle, and it's actually a glass bottle, which is actually quite beautiful. And I think I'm going to test this out with you guys, because I'm definitely keeping this. Incredibly fine, but a wide spray radius, which I love. Definitely rose, and in my opinion, more of a perfumey kind of heavy old lady rose, and I love rose. If you don't though, or if certain rose can be a little bit too aggressive for you, this probably would be, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Okay, yeah, that's quite strong. The rose is definitely a little bit strong. I will use it up, but just noting it for you guys, I do see a little bit of kind of hydration and glow kind of peeking through. Okay, I'll keep testing it. I'll update you guys. Next up is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm, and I've had this many times in my subscription habit, I guess you could say, and it is incredibly, incredibly hydrating. And as you guys are seeing, very, very skincare heavy. Again, I do not mind that. Next up is the Floss Rise Above Lengthening Mascara in the shade Black. And I will show you guys in the pamphlet the actual component itself, or the inner part of this, but I'll show you the component. Only because I have a lot of mascaras open, so I do not want to waste this. And it does say cruelty-free and vegan. And then the very last little thing that I have in here is Phase It, the Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. Extracts and fades dark spots, hydrocolloid lactic acid, azelaic acid, and niacinamide, and it has 6 patches in it. And this says, has quotes, I am beautiful with bumps and blemishes. Absolutely. And then it says, step 1, wash and dry your skin. Step 2, apply the patch and wear it for 6 to 8 hours. Step 3, gently peel off to reveal the extracted hair. And then step 4, repeat 2 to 3 times if necessary. Works to extract ingrown hairs and fade hyperpigmentation. I've never used anything like this. If you have, please let me know. And then our little pamphlet here. This says, inside the box, soak it all in. On hot summer mornings, the moisture-drenched products in your June Allure beauty box are as refreshing as an iced latte. Yum. And every bit as uplifting. Inside you will find a moisturizing summer skincare routine, and I love that they give you an entire routine. And let's see, to keep you glowing all season long with formulas like a fan favorite Belief moisturizer and a delicate rose water toner that are light enough to wear comfortably even on sticky days. And then it will go through and it will give us an idea of pricing and stuff like that. So we have the Christoph Robin product. And I won't go through the entire deets, but I'll go to the price for y'all. Retail price, the aloe vera mist would have been $39, the butter's $32, the conditioner's $42, the mask is $42, the rose water mist is $39, and the shampoo would be $41. And typically it'll give you, I don't see it for this particular brand, but typically they'll give you like a 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, like coupon code for the brand. Next up, we had our Face Reality Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. And again, it will walk you completely through the deets, how to use it, why they chose it, and then full size pricing and stuff like that. And the retail price for this is $35 for 180 mils. Where to buy it? FaceRealitySkincare.com. And they do have a promo code here. Take our 1-minute skin quiz. And then, let's see, receive 20% off of your acne safe kit with code Allure20. And that is valid June 1st through July 31st. So Allure20. Next up, we had the Floss Beauty Rise Above Lengthening Mascara and our Earth Harbor Crystal Hydration Toner. The mascara is $22, and you do also receive a code here. Receive 20% off site-wide with code ALLUREBOX. Again, valid through June 1st through July 31st. Again, ALLUREBOX. For the Earth Harbor, the retail price is $16 for 60 mils, and we do get 20 mils in the box. You can also receive 15% off, excluding gift cards and kit, with code ALLURE15. That is also valid June 1st through July 11th. So June 1st through July 11th, code ALLURE15. And then our last two products were the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer, and the Face It Ingrown Hair Bikini Patch. The Aqua Bomb is $38 for 50 mils, and we did get 10 mils. There's no code or anything there. And then the patches, they retail for $19.99 for 12 patches. We got 6 patches in our box. There is a promo code here. You'll go to Let's Phase It, FAZIT.com. Receive 20% off your first purchase with code Allure20, valid June 1st through August 30th. And I like that. I like that it walks you through it and says, why do we think you'll love it? How do you use it? Things like that. Again, I understand that this is maybe not the most exciting box. It is for me because I'm a skincare junkie. If you're looking for something that is more makeup based, there are boxes like the Ice Cream Beauty box, which is all makeup. The Chic Beauty box is all makeup. There are definitely, boxes and different subscriptions for, whatever your needs and stuff are. But I think for me, for like paying $22, $23 a box, I absolutely think that it's worth it. I typically pay that for one hair care item or one skincare item. I am going to check and see if I have this. Give me 1 second. Yes, I do. And I love this. So I'll keep this one right here so it stays new. And this one, even though it is rose water, this has got a very, very fine mist. Obviously, this is for your hair, but this is the type of rose that I like. It's very soft, very subtle, and very natural smelling, meaning, if you walk by a bouquet of roses, that soft kind of subtle warmth that you kind of get, that butteriness that you get from natural rose, that's what that smells like. The Earth Harbor one is a little aggressive for me, but I love this. They had another one that was like cactus water or something like that. I really love that as well, but yeah, I'm excited. I think overall, I'm thrilled. What did you guys think? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank y'all so much for joining. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and join my beauty family. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love y'all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.